Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something fun and your job is to guess each one before I reveal the answers at the end of the video. So grab your notepad, get ready to focus and let's see how many you can get right. Did you guess correctly? Let's check your answers. 1. Nura. Name 2. Linda. Name 3. Amani. Four. Alex. 5. Amaka. 6. Chisom. 7. Temilade. 8. Adewale. 9. Zainab. 10. David. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more sign language lessons. See you in my next video. Bye!